I made a huge mistake when we started renovating our outdated home, and I painted all of our newly installed baseboards and door trim with an eggshell finish paint, which has proven to be nearly impossible to keep clean. So I am repainting all of our baseboards and trim throughout this house now with a semi-gloss paint, which will be so much easier to keep clean. And I'm going to use FrogTape painter's tape to make sure it's done right and to keep the new paint off of our walls and floors. Not all painter's tape is created equal, and FrogTape is by far the best. FrogTape is treated with exclusive paint block technology on the sticky side to form a micro barrier that seals the edges of the tape to prevent paint bleed under your tape, and it leaves you with super sharp paint lines. I'm telling you guys, it's like magic. I use their delicate surface tape on our floors, accent walls, and my recently painted office walls because it has a lower adhesion to help prevent surface damage. And my go-to most used tape is their multi-surface painter's tape, which is used on my walls, and it has a medium adhesion that bonds to surfaces quickly so you can get started painting right away. So with my FrogTape up and protecting our surfaces, I worked my way around the house repainting all of the baseboards and trim. I've put this project off for over a year, but I'm so happy I used FrogTape to get it done, which kept the new paint off of my floors and walls and gave us a crisp professional finish.